Hey guys, it's Clary and today I'll be telling you how to change the day/night length on an Enshrouded server. Firstly, head over to Server.pro and select your Enshrouded server. From the Home tab, click the Stop button to fully stop the server before making any changes. This is just to ensure no errors occur. Once the server is stopped, open the Files page and then click Server and then click the Enshrouded server JSON file. Before making any changes, make sure your difficulty preset is set to custom at the top here. This is needed for the changes to take effect. Now, locate the following settings below: daytime duration and nighttime duration. These values are measured in nanoseconds rather than minutes. You can set both daytime and nighttime durations anywhere between 2 minutes and 60 minutes. You should use the appropriate nanosecond value for the length you want to configure. We'll put a graph on the screen of what value to use for each type of minutes you want to use. After updating the values, save your changes and return to the Home tab. Then you can click Start to bring your server back online. Your changes should now have taken effect. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.